Today we are making pork vegetable dumplings. First, you start off with the dough. The ingredients you will need for the dough is 2 teaspoons of salt, some warm water, and some flour. First, you're gonna add the flour. Now you're gonna add the water. Now add the salt. After you roll it all out, you are going to cut it into 4s. Now you are going to roll them into skinny logs. Put it down and cut the size of the dumplings you want. Now, you're going to take each piece, make them into a circle that are about 4 inches. Now you will need your green onion, some minced garlic, minced ginger, cabbage, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Next, we are going to mix my cabbage mix with my pork. In the pork, you need half a pound. And I added a little salt in this. One cup of this.
Mix it all together.
Now you mix. Now we're going to add to the veggie dumpling some mushrooms and carrots. Now you're going to put it in the microwave and shut it and hit time cook and hit 300 start. After you take your veggies out of the oven, you're going to mix it with 1 cup of your cabbage mix. Now you are going to take your mix and put it inside the dough, just like this. Then fold it like a burrito or a taco. Take some water, just put it on the top. Then press it so it's all in, just like that. Then there you have your dumpling.